Hi all, today's video is dedicated to your favorite, car ice sliding and driving in bad weather condition situations. How often do you see something like this on the road and how can this be avoided? Write in the comments. Happened in Philly I-95 northbound between exits 25 and 26. Untreated on-ramp to the highway and someone lost control of their vehicle and caused multiple collisions. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Denver, Colorado, I-25. The girl who spun out was sort of weaving a bit prior to spinning out. Someone flashed their brights at her, and then seemingly out of nowhere she was spinning out. Driving too fast and braking too hard causes SUV to spin out during snowstorm. Luckily, very little traffic. Appleton, Wisconsin.
Yer!
Met a driver who was experiencing pressure. He was fined, received treatment, and returned to work.
Yo，牛逼！我操！
我们这下大了，鹅毛大雪。
好，你家不走呢他。
San Diego, California westbound Interstate 8. Pickup hits a large puddle of standing water and begins to hydroplane. Appears to regain control for a second, then goes into the median divider. Denver, People like to hit the brake when changing lanes, rain or shine, and sometimes this is the result.
And he could enroll in an auto pay, couldn't he?
Ashland, Wisconsin, Highway 2 West. The Sierra in front of me changed lanes and slowed down. I slowed down in case there was something ahead I didn't see due to high winds and snow. The TPDC Jeep hit black ice from the wind whipping across Lake Superior onto the highway. I didn't even notice there was damage until I looked at the dash cam vid later that night. Highway 2 southbound near Three Hills, Alberta, Canada. Multiple accidents due to snow and poor road conditions. Police had just arrived on scene to sort things out. First he was clueless road was solid ice, passing two AWD vehicles. I'm in S3 Quattro, because clearly he is much better driver. Then he cuts off the truck and demonstrate how useless advanced ESC is with a driver of his skill set.
Oh my god. Yeah, snow like this and...
Oh, now he's spinning. We're spinning. And we're going to get hit. This guy's going to kick, he's going to count.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. What episode do you remember most? Write in the comments.